Ever dreamed of owning a legend? This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe isn't just a classic. It's a turnkey piece of Mustang history that will make every head turn and every drive unforgettable. What's up, everyone? Make sure to hit that subscribe button because today you are about to experience something truly special. Right in front of us sits a masterpiece of American automotive history, a 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe finished in the breathtaking Tahoe Turquoise with a sleek black vinyl top that perfectly captures the elegance of a bygone era. From the very first glance, this car demands attention. Every curve, every chrome accent, every gleam of polished metal whispers the story of Mustang heritage and timeless design. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art, meticulously cared for and ready to deliver a driving experience that blends nostalgia with sheer exhilaration. The exterior alone is enough to stop anyone in their tracks. The Tahoe Turquoise paint reflects light like liquid sapphire, while the black vinyl top adds a touch of sophistication that pairs perfectly with the original chrome accents. The factory wheel covers remain immaculate, giving it that authentic vintage presence collectors dream of. Every panel is pristine, straight, and shining, a testament to careful maintenance and love over the years. The subtle gleam of the chrome bumpers, door handles, and mirror accents gives this coupe an aura of understated luxury, and it's immediately clear that this Mustang is built to impress both in motion and at rest. Step inside, and the cabin is a time capsule of classic design and thoughtful enhancements. The bucket seats embrace you, offering comfort and a feeling of connection with the car that modern vehicles rarely provide. The floor shifter places control directly in your hands, while the upgraded retro radio with auxiliary input allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes without sacrificing the authenticity of the interior. Power steering makes maneuvering effortless, and the power front disc brakes give you confidence every time you press the pedal. This coupe is a perfect harmony of vintage charm and modern convenience, a car that can be driven daily or proudly displayed at any car show. Under the hood, the heart of this Mustang reveals itself, a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder sprint engine that offers smooth, responsive power. Mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission, it delivers an experience that is both thrilling and effortless. Every rev of the engine, every glide of the transmission, and every turn of the wheel reminds you why Mustangs are legendary. The combination of power steering and disc brakes ensures a ride that is precise, confident, and enjoyable, whether cruising through city streets, winding along coastal highways, or commanding attention in a weekend car meet. Imagine this coupe gliding through the streets at sunset, the turquoise paint glowing under the warm light, reflections dancing across its flawless body, heads turn at every corner, cameras snap instinctively, and everyone nearby feels the presence of classic Mustang power. This is more than a driving machine. It's a lifestyle statement, a piece of history, and an investment in joy and style. Every detail, from the seat belts and bucket seats to the factory wheel covers and polished chrome, has been cared for with precision, creating a car that is as pristine as the day it first left the showroom. For collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone who simply appreciates the pinnacle of American automotive design, this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe offers everything you could dream of in a classic car. It's clean, documented, and ready to be enjoyed immediately. The combination of iconic design, historical significance, and a driving experience that remains unmatched makes this coupe an absolute standout in the world of classic cars. So if you're ready to own a piece of Mustang history, this turquoise beauty is waiting for you. Don't miss your chance to drive, show, and cherish a classic that has been maintained with love and precision. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more amazing cars like this. And remember, cars like this don't stay perfect for long. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is ready to make every moment behind the wheel unforgettable.